Let's start exercise 7.1 from chapter number 7, rounding number. Round the following numbers to the nearest 10. So first question is 46. So here on the ones place the number is 6. As we know, if ones place digit is more than 4, then we have to add 1 in the 10th place. So the answer for this question will be 50. So I add 1 in the 10th place. This is ones place, this one is 10th place. Now move to the second question, that is 15. You have to focus on the ones place because next digit of the 10th place is ones place, next place is ones place. So here the ones place having the digit that is 5. So as we know that if number is more than 4, then we have to add 1. So in this case, the rounding number of 15 will be 20. So next one is also the last digit is also more than 4. So we have to add 1 in the 3. That means we have to add 1 in the 10th place. So answer will be 40. Now look at this question. Here the last digit is 3. 3 is less than 4. It means no need to add 1. So your answer will be directly that is 60. So you have to simply replace the 3 with 0. So rounding number, it means 60 is nearest to 63. So here if you look at your counting, the 40 is nearest to 37. Now move to the next, that is 48. For 48, 8 is greater than 4. So we have to write the answer that is 50. Similarly, in this question, it is a 3-digit number. So this is your ones place, tens place, and hundred place. You have already done. You already have done this type how to write the place in your chapter number 1, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. These you all are familiar with this. So here we have to round off nearest to 10. If you have to round off nearest to 10, you have to focus on the ones place. So in this question, on the ones place, the digit is 5. It means I have to add 1 in the 10th place digit. So my answer will be 160. 100 place digit will be remain same, no change in the 100 place. Next, similarly here 5 is greater than 4, so your answer will be 260. Similarly you can try next part also. So similarly the answer will be 370 and next one will be 670 because 3 is also less than 4, 1 is also less than 4. Now move to next question. Here last digit is 9. 9 is greater than 4. So it means answer will be 880. You have to add 1 in 10th place. No need to change 100 place. Here we are having 4 places. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. It means this 1000 and 100 place remain same. Only change will be 10th place if required, but in this sum my ones place digit is 2 only. So if 2 is there, then it means no need to change. Your answer will be 1640. Similarly we can do next part, that will be 8560 because last digit is more than 4. Next one will be, similarly you can try this sum also. We have to add 1 here, so my answer will be 1990. Next one will be 1850. Now move to question number 2. What numbers could be rounded to 60? The first part is 60. It means we have to write all the possible numbers. That if, for example, if I write 55 answer will be 60. So it means we have to write all the possible outcomes so that your rounding number is 60. In other words, you have to write all the numbers which are near to 60. So we will start from 55 because more than 5 we have to add 1. If I write 54, the round 54 is nearest to 50. So here the options will be 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60, it is, these all numbers are near to 60. Similarly 61, 62, 63 and 64. Or in other words, you can also write 55 to 64. That is also okay. If you want to mention all the numbers, that is also okay. Now move to the next part. Next one is 40. 40 is also similar as 60. So it means we have to start from 35. 35 is nearest to 40. Next one is 36, 37, Similarly 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 and 44. Or you can write the same like this also, 35 to 44. Both are correct. Now move to the next part, that is 780. For 780 we have to focus on 80 because we are going to round off nearest to 10. So nearest 80, the answer will be, it lies from 75 to 84. Similarly we have done previous question, same we have to follow here. Here the number is 80, it means we have to write from 775 to 784. You can mention all the numbers also, or you can write like this also. The numbers lies between 775 to 784. Similarly you can try next part also. This one is 1800, so it means it will start from 1795 to it will goes on 1804. So we have to focus here like 95 to 04. So all the numbers are very near to 1800. Similarly you can try next part. Like this we can do these part also. 450, it means we have to focus on 50. 50 will lie between 45 to 54. So that's it for this exercise. Try to solve it in your rough notebook. After that complete your notebooks. Thank you so much. Have a good day.